Hello, Miss Hunt.
Hey, can we be in the same shot?
Oh, yeah. Just about.
When they said no Chelsea in the summer, I rather feared there wasn't going to be a Chelsea at all this year, which wouldn't seem right at all. But fortunately, it's happened, and look at the day it is. That wasn't forecast. See, we're very blessed indeed.
I just can't get over the fact that they've built this in 2 weeks. Like massive hulks of rock come down from Scotland. It does look like it's been there for centuries, doesn't it? It's amazing.
I've had a lovely time. The autumn theme suddenly hit home to me.
I really like how it's about like slightly more mature plants and flowers, like things that come along later in the year. It's about just enjoying being in the moment, listening to that accordion player I paid to be here for you.
Today's a really special day. This has never happened in autumn before. It might never happen again. And I think people can lose themselves in gardens. And it's just so calming, tranquil. It calms me down so much.
It's just a very, very nice place to come.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's my first time at the Chelsea Flower Show. The amount of effort and the detail that's put in is phenomenal. The talent is amazing, and it's a really wonderful environment, especially after what we've all been through over the last year and a half. It's nice to see everybody out here for the show to be happening again. It's just magnificent.